Hi, Robot Dreams. My name is Paul Copioli, the president of VEX Robotics.
Hi, Robot Dreams. My name is Dane McLevy from Ravenna Senior High.
How difficult is it for a new group to get involved with the VEX program, especially if they're new to robotics or have a limited budget?
It's actually quite easy. We've designed the system and the program to make it less intimidating. Robotics seems very technical, so we have an entire support group called the Robotics Education and Competition Foundation, and their mission is to help schools and school districts get involved with VEX Robotics and the VEX Robotics competition, both in the classroom and extracurricular.
What are some of the things that you've learned from being involved with VEX?
Being involved with VEX has really taught me a lot with engineering and designing of the robot and building the mechanisms that make the robot lift and drive. Another thing is the programming part of it. It has taught me a lot with computer programming and making the robot move autonomously and how we want it to move.
Has being involved with VEX excited you about pursuing a career in engineering?
Being involved with VEX has opened the opportunity to be able to go into programming and engineering, and has currently inspired me to actually look to go to college for engineering.
What can local organizations like parents or community members do to help and support teams from their region?
The biggest thing they can do is volunteer at events. So it takes an army of volunteers to put on the local events. We have over 400 local events all across the world, and it takes parents and teachers and mentors to run those events. These events don't run themselves. So and you can always find out more information on that at robotevents.com/events.
The VEX program has grown rapidly and has experienced great success since its inception. Do you foresee continued strong growth?
Oh boy, we have severely underestimated the growth every single year. With over 7,300 teams worldwide now, we just want to see every elementary school, middle school, and high school in the U.S. and abroad have access to a robotics team.
What are your final thoughts on VEX and the competition?
Well, it amazes me what these kids come up with every year. We try to give them a really hard challenge that we think many of them aren't going to solve, and they blow us away. Each year when we come to the World Championship, these teams are at a much, much higher level than they were even the year before. So it really impresses me and gives me great hope that our next generation of engineers, scientists, and leaders are going to be well prepared.